Creating a sitemap in WordPress is a smart move for improving SEO and helping search engines index your site more efficient. In this video, I'll show you how to do sitemap on WordPress. So, understand the types of sitemaps. There is what we call the XML sitemap that helps search engines crawl your site, and HTML sitemap that helps users navigate your site. So to be able to do this, you need to use a plugin to generate XML sitemap. So go ahead and head over to the plugins tab and search for Yoast SEO. So once you have found that, click on that from the plugins marketplace. So you need to install and activate this plugin. And then once you have installed and activate it, go ahead and head over into the SEO tab, head over to General, and head over to Features and enable XML sitemaps. View your sitemap at yourdomain.com/sitemap underscore index.xml. So another popular plugin that you can use would be the Google XML sitemap. So you need to install the plugin, enable the sitemap features, and customize which pages to include. So you can also search for that on the plugins marketplace. So this is how it looks like, XML sitemap generator for Google. And after creating your sitemap, submit it to Google Search Console to help search engines index your site faster. Keep your sitemap updated as you add new content and use plugins that auto-update your sitemap to save time.